think you should.
What's up, J Riders? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm out kicking it today with this girl. Oh my God, my intro always sucks.
God damn.
So anyways, I'm out today with Marisha. We're going to buy a wig, try on some wigs. She's gonna give my opinion.
Might buy one if you like it.
Yeah. Anyways, y'all always talk about my hair always the same in all the videos, so you know damn well I gotta give me a wig or something to get this hair right. So anyways, that's what we're on our way to. I had to put a little makeup on, and they be gunning me about my eyebrows too. Oops. So they be talking about my eyebrows too, but that's okay. I'm getting it together. Your girl gonna be looking good after she lose her weight, have her surgery. So guys, what you think about this? The long silky look. Let me see how I look from behind. How long is it?
Oh.
I think I never had blonde hair. So I don't know. I want to try on one more. Look at my.
I like this wig.
Yeah, it's cute on you.
I like it.
So what you guys think about this one? I kind of like this one. And how full it is. I like it. Then I could part it any kind of way I want it.
That won't fit you.
What, this one? Yeah, because remember my hair was this color? And I had those box braids.
Right.
This one look nice too though.
You do? I like this one.
Only thing is, I just
Okay, guys, what you think about this one? I kind of like it. I don't want it to be so plain. I like the waviness.
Let me see, make sure it ain't nappy. See how I get stuck?
I'm gonna have to comb it out.
Wait a minute. Put wig shine on
Look.
it.
Oh shit.
Uh-oh.
All right. Okay, guys. So I'm really feeling this wig. I don't know, for some reason I kind of like it. I like the layers. I like how it's curly. Look, get Marisha. That's cute on her.
Like this, blonde?
Yes, a lot of people wear it. Ain't it cute on her? Oh my
Yeah, it'll be
God.
different
Yes.
I like it.
Should make me want to try that.
So what y'all think about this? I want blonde. This yellow hair. Is this yellow or blonde?
It look cute. Girl, I like that.
Blonde is in style nowadays. So
All right, guys. So I did pick a hair or a wig that I like. And I'm going to show you guys. But I think I'm going to wait till I do like a little get ready with me so I can show you which wig I picked out. So now we're on our way to grab something to eat. And I will see you guys when we get back home. So we went to Walmart, got some groceries, and now I'm cooking rotel. So let me show you guys. I'm up some ground beef, and I'm adding shrimp to the rotel. And this is everything I'm gonna put in there. So yeah, I'm about to throw down. So right now I'm just adding the cheese is not all that way melted, but I just wanted to show you how it looked a little bit. I'll come back and show you the rest. And then my little shrimp is over here just warming up because they're already cooked. So they're just getting a little warm and seasoned. So be right back. Oh, okay. All right, so this is the rotel, how it looks. I'm let me put it on a plate because it looked nasty in this pot. 1 second. So here it is. with the shrimp. He already maxing. Alright. Oh, we got these chips. Spicy nachos, Cool Ranch. So yeah, it's time for me to eat. Alright guys, I just want to show you this little room we got for filming. Look, she getting ready to do a get ready with me. And this our little filming setup. So, yep, we finally got a room for video. Look at her. Ugh, she irritating.
Okay, come on, I gotta record.
She's so irritating. Look at her already. Get out of here. So the room that we have for filming now used to be my youngest son room, which he moved out in June. So he's been gone on his own for a while. And then when my son came here, my oldest son came here, and then came with Gracie, and they was here for a little while. And then he stayed in that room. So now really no one's in that room. So now we was able to convert it into like a filming room, which I'm so happy to have. Because I was filming in my bedroom. Y'all know I was filming in my bedroom for the longest. So I'm super excited to have a little filming area. So now I can be loud and do all my reactions and nobody can hear me. And then I thought about putting it out in the loft, but then I was like, that's too open. And then with Kai running around, I didn't want him touching my stuff. Kids think everything is a toy. And see, he would have been pulling on a ring light, pulling on my laptop, pulling on my camera, cords. He think everything is a toy. So yeah, I couldn't have it in there. Oh, and another thing I want to talk to y'all about is I know y'all see them ads. So a girl is finally monetized. I'm so excited. I feel like I've been just making videos. And I really do love making videos for you guys because I just love doing what I do. And we almost at 5K. J Riders, I'm so happy. Like, we at 5K. It's been such a long time coming. And, my videos, I had a lot of content on this channel, but then it was deleted. When they had got deleted, then I guess YouTube was like, you don't have that many, you have all these watch hours, but you don't have the content to kind of back up the watch hours. So it really put me behind on being monetized. And I know a lot of people's like, dang, you 4,000 subscribers and all this watch time, but you're not monetized. So finally I monetized. No, I have not received a YouTube check. And when I do, y'all will be the first to know. So yeah, I'm just finally glad that now I can get ads. So now I can get paid. Oh, but I wanted to tell y'all before YouTube came up with this new rule this year that you had to have so much watch time and 1,000 subscribers. Before you could get paid, all you need was like 100 subscribers. So I already got money like sitting in my Google account, technically, sort of say, my Google account. So the money just been sitting there, just haven't been growing. So now it can start back growing, and no, I've never received a YouTube check, but y'all will be the first to know. Y'all know I tell y'all everything. Oh, and I want to tell y'all, thank y'all so much for telling me about my my little hernia I got going on, and you hoping I get well and stuff. I'm so, like, I don't know having this hernia is serious or not. I'm thinking it's not that serious, but it could be serious. I don't know. But the thing is, I'm going to work on the weight loss, and then we're going to have the surgery. And I know Stick was saying that maybe I should have the surgery right away because it's been over a year. But then my mom and everybody was like, well, just try to lose the weight. They don't want me to have the surgery if I don't really need it. So that's where I'm at. I've got to get ready to edit this vlog. And then tomorrow I'm going to be doing a get ready with me because, I got that new wig. And I want you guys to see what I picked out. And I hope it looked good. And I know Marisha, she doing her get ready with me. And she already put up her vlog. So things are just coming together little by little, First, the monetization. I'm so glad about that. And me finally going back to the doctor and getting a second opinion. I'm glad I got that over with. So anyways, I don't want to talk about everything now because there's some things I want to talk to y'all about when I do my get ready with me. So I want y'all to stay tuned for that. Anyways, I just want to tell you guys, I love you guys so much. Like, every time I wake up, the first thing I do is go on YouTube just to look to see if anybody left any comments or to check to see if someone new has subscribed. So I thank you guys for your love and your support. You guys mean so much to me. I mean, you guys are literally my second family. Because, you know, I have my family here, but you are my second family. So I do think about y'all all the time. I know this channel is going to get bigger and better, and I just know we're going to be going places. And then I was thinking about doing another giveaway, but I'm not for sure if I want to do it at 5K or 10K. I don't know. Y'all let me know what I should do. I did gift cards for my birthday, but this time I want to do, I don't know if I should do gift cards, maybe more gift cards. I'm not for sure, or if I should do something special. But I want to hit it at, I want to do like a giveaway at a certain amount. So I don't know if it should be 5K, 10K. Y'all let me know. Anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and end this vlog. I'm getting tired. You know, your girl got to get up and go to work in the morning. I'll be glad in the day I don't have to get up and go to work. I just want to get up, make a video, and edit, and make another edit. I just want my life to be really about making videos. I really love YouTube. I've been watching YouTube for so long, and I just love it. I love how you can just come on here and, you know, and be entertained by real people instead of just on TV. I mean, this is real life. And then, but it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work to have a job, to make a video, edit. It's not easy. So I do be glad when the day where I don't have to work, I could just do this. So now, I mean, I like watching other people's videos. I like coming on here looking for something. Like that damn MacBook I just bought. You don't know how many times I had to look on YouTube to show me how to do something on there. Oh my God. So YouTube do come in handy. So anyways, I'm just thankful that I got 4,000, almost 5,000 people watching me. You know, I'm just glad and thankful for each and every one of you guys, even the ones that just watch me for a second and just pass on through. So I'm just thankful. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. I love you. Please be safe because I want to see your comments. I want to see you in the next video.